Can you tell us nitrogen significance for the ecosystem?
Yeah. One of the key to be possible on the planet would be the capacity to take nitrogen and to fit the conversion that organisms could use as a source of the very elaborate biological process that is critical for life to exist.
Yes.
And so it's got to be one of the first metabolic systems that emerge. And bacteria are playing a key role in nitrogen fixation. What's happening is many biologists believe that nitrogen fixation appeared very early in the history of life on Earth, photosynthesis. In fact, the metabolic pathways that actually conflict that drive nitrogen fixation have to be bacteria operate them in what are called circadian rhythms, where during the night fixation takes place, during the day photosynthesis, and that allows regulation of the processes, to me, defines evolution, and is something I think.
Yes.